Welcome to SquadStack Learning. In this module, we will learn about call hygiene. So by the end of the session, we will be able to understand how to maintain call hygiene during the entire call, examples of how to act in certain scenarios,
compliance,
and do's and don'ts in call opening, closing, and hold procedure. So let's get started. Call hygiene during call opening. So do the call opening within the 5 seconds of call getting connected. In case of any network issue or technical issue, do not just say hello, hello. Instead of this, use phrases like, am I audible, sir? Or am I audible, ma'am? Proceed further in case the customer is then able to hear you. If the voice issue still persists, then inform on call that, sir, ma'am, you're not audible to me. I'll call you back in some time. Before moving on to call hygiene for call hold procedure, let's discuss the steps to call hold. Number 1. Take permission before placing call on hold. Number 2. Inform hold duration. Inform when will you get back to the customer. Number 3. Reason for placing the call on hold. These are the steps. Let's look at an example of placing a call on hold. May I please place your call on hold for a minute to check a few details, sir? Now, once you're done, you will have to unhold the call also. So, thank the customer for waiting. Let's look at an example of call unhold. Thank you for being online. Or you can use, thank you for your patience, sir. In case you need more time to get back with details, then inform the customer about the same. So now let's look at an example here again for extended hold time. Thank you for your patience, sir. I would need some more time to check a few details. Can I please place your call on hold for another minute? Thank you. Now let's move on to call hygiene for call closing. Number 1. Inform the next step in the call summary before closing the call. Number 2. Do check the customer if he or she has any further doubts or queries. Number 3. While closing the call, always wait for the customer to disconnect the call first. So finally, from now onwards, please strictly follow these call hygiene guidelines. Thank you. Have a happy learning at SquadStack.